My name is Chris Oberlander. I work at City Utilities in Springfield, Missouri. I'm actually the electric supervisor over electric metering, and I've actually been in charge of implementing the Itron Cellular Solutions for our larger C&I customers at the utility.
Okay.
At City Utilities, we have about 110,000 electric customers. We're using the cellular solutions actually to work with, get the information to not have to have our meter technicians are the ones actually now reading the meters, these high-end meters. This is a way that we can actually get a daily read for the information and actually reduce the cost for the company of having these technicians go out once a month and read the meters. And we can also get the information on a daily basis this way. That is one of the things we was really wanting to save, was be able to save money with meter reads. The other thing was be able to always have this information on a daily basis and be able to have more customers this way. We could actually look at interval data if we needed to for any reasons for these customers. We actually started this project. We originally were going to set 300 of our top commercial industrial customers with this type of technology to do the meter reads. We started last October. Took about 6 months for us to complete this. It actually went so well that we decided to purchase 110 more meters for customers. We actually have implemented those. So we're actually through with this part of the program right now. Just actually at the very end now tweaking, making sure everything's working just like we want to. One of the big benefits that we did not think that we would, that we did not realize was outage notification that is actually possible with this type of technology. We can actually get an email in probably 1 to 2 minutes whenever we have a meter lose power. We've actually tied that into our outage notification system and actually can either respond to the customer probably by the time that they're actually looking for a phone number to call, or actually get a truck rolling in that area if we have a problem. We also get a notification when the power is restored, so we know then that everything is okay. One of the other things we have noticed with this, or been able to do with this, is actually send with our outage notification. We've done this on a pilot with 4 customers. We have 2 universities that we're doing this with, and then 2 actually are of our larger hospitals. When they have a building that has lost power, and we get this, they also get this notification, this email. That way they know whether if it's on their side, our side, because these are all primary metered, and they know how to respond themselves. So that is what has been a big help that we were not planning on, and we will roll this out to more customers as we get more comfortable with it. We actually have 3 rate structures at our utilities for our 3-phase customers. The largest with ours is 1500 kW and above. We actually have these on the Itron Cellular Solutions meters to where we can get the information, and billing has not really changed with those. Our next level is down to from 300 to 1500 kW. We've also implemented the meters on those too. But I said earlier where we had added another 110 meters. Those are actually between 200 kW and 300 kW. We're actually looking at lowering the rate class down to our second one down to 200 kW to be more economical for the customer with the billing. Also looking into, changing maybe our time of use programming. We also are looking into setting some of these type meters that have this technology in the at residential customers for voltage to actually be able to respond to sag or swell as far as with the customers to where the voltage. We're actually looking at maybe lowering the voltage at some of our transformers for distribution. This will actually let us know if we're having a problem doing this, and if we need to make any changes, and it's a way that we can actually monitor it. Another thing that we're looking into is the remote disconnect with the residential customers. Hard to get customers, the ones in the backyards. We are municipalities where we have a lot of older homes and we right in town. Meters at times are in basements. And so with these customers, we can actually, instead of rolling the truck 2-3 times actually to get the power disconnected, we can do this right away, actually save us some money that way. Also then, one of the big benefits we're really looking for this is the safety aspect. If we have a customer that's given us a hard time in the past, maybe threatened us, but we can actually disconnect their power or connect it back and not have to actually have an interface with the customer. I have been with the company I'm with now for 23 years. Actually, the last 12 years has been probably working with the Itron. I actually have been the MV90 operator. Started 12 years ago. Actually worked with lots of Itron people back and forth. Built some good relationships and knew the different people to work with, and everything had went real well. Left the area as far as the metering and went to a different area, and I have actually came back now about 1.5 years ago. Picked right up with the Itron people, you know, to where the teams to where I could actually have good interface with them. Then actually with the Cellular Solutions, has been really good working with them back and forth with any of these deployments and any problems that we've had.